Product data sheets, your path to informed choices in graphic installations. In the dynamic world of graphic installations, product data sheets hold the key to unlocking success. These informative documents provide essential insights into materials, specifications, and application guidelines, empowering you to make choices that truly shine. Delving into product data sheets reveals a wealth of knowledge, from material composition and durability to adhesive characteristics and environmental suitability. These sheets offer a comprehensive understanding of a product's capabilities and limitations. Armed with this information, you can confidently select the ideal material for your project's unique needs. Partnering with skilled graphic installers complements the importance of product data sheets. These professionals ensure that the material aligns seamlessly with your creative vision. Their experience allows them to translate technical information into actionable decisions, enhancing your project with precision. Moreover, expert installers bring their insights to the table, providing valuable input based on the knowledge gained from product data sheets. Their expertise contributes to the durability, effectiveness, and visual appeal of your project. Product data sheets are your compass in the intricate realm of graphic installations. Trusting their guidance equips you with the tools for a project that radiates quality and precision. When combined with the expertise of skilled graphic installers, these sheets become a map for a thriving endeavor that captures attention, durability, and your creative vision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.